Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine and in good condition, staying at home and studying as well. So, yesterday we have done exercise 1.3, question 1 to 4 about the ascending, descending, successor, predecessor, comparing the number and forming the greatest and the smallest number. I hope you have done all the parts which was your homework, and I also hope that you have understood the concept as well. Now we will be moving to the next question 5 today. That is right. We have to write down the number in descending order. Now exercise 1.3 question 5. Write the following numbers in descending order. You all know what you mean by descending order. What we have to do, we have to write down the numbers according to the descending order. That is, first one we have to write down the bigger one, then the smallest, then the smallest, and the smallest. Now the A part, you can see this is 23 lakh 54,208. Then we have 23 lakh 64,802. Then it's 24 lakh 64,008. Then 42 lakh 24,802. Now you can see, first of all, that is lakh period. In the lakh period, the bigger number will be 42 only, because that is the greatest one. So 42 lakh 24,802 will come first. Then if you talk about the lakh period only, then the next smallest to 42 lakh 24,802 is 24 lakh 64,008. This is the next smallest number, right? And then if you talk about the next two digit, that is 23 lakh 54,208 and 23 lakh 64,802, we have to compare, as the lakh period is same for both the numbers. That means 23. That means we have to move to the next period, that is 1000 period. Here in 1000 period you have a number 54, and in the next number you have the number 64 at 1000 place. That means which one is a bigger? If you compare both the numbers, that means the second one is a bigger, that is 23 lakh 64,802. So it will come first, and then the last one will be, this is 23 lakh 54,208. That's how we have to write down this number in descending order. Please ensure that you put commas in between as per the greatest digit. As 42 is lakh 24,802 is the greatest digit. If we compare to the 24 lakh 64,008, that's why I have opened the sign towards 42 lakh 24,802. So please ensure that you put commas accordingly. Same you can do the C part also. In the C part, first we have to see the greatest number. As you can see, the greatest number, the last one, that is 45 crore 28 lakh 3,009. This is the greatest one, because we have crore place. In crore place we have in crore period we have two places, that is 4 and 5, and rest in some of the numbers we don't have crore period, and in one of the number we have only one place in crore period, that is 4 only, if we talk about the second number. So this shows that the last number, that is 45 crore 28 lakh 3,009 is the biggest number. And then the next one will be the next smallest number to it is 4 crore 50 lakh 82,009, obviously. And if you talk about the two numbers which are left, that is 45 crore 45 crore. That means the crore, not 45 crore, 45 lakh. That means the lakh period are same, 45. So that means we have to move to the next period, that is 1000 period. In the 1000 period you can see 28, and there it is 82. So which one is a bigger? Obviously 82. So we'll take that number first, that means 45 lakh 82,009, and the last one will be 45 lakh 28,009. I hope you have understood how to write down the descending order and how to write down the sign as well. So the rest part, please do it on your own. Now we'll start question 6, that write the following number in ascending order. That means first we have to write down the smaller number, then the biggest, then the biggest, and the biggest one. So that means if we talk about in A part, the biggest number, obviously this is the last number. Why? Because in the crore period we have two places, that is 41, and in the rest three number, the 1 2 3 first three number, the places at crore period is only 1, that is only 4. So this shows that we have to check which one is the smallest among these three numbers. So we have to see which place now, which period now, lakh period. In the lakh period you can see 85, 68 and 86. This shows which one is the smallest number. The second number, that is 4 crore 68,029, sorry, 68 lakh 29,240. Now the next number will be 4 crore 85 lakh 29,412, obviously because उससे बड़ा नंबर वही है. उसके बाद इस नंबर से भी, सेकेंड नंबर से भी बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है, 4 crore 86 lakh 39,412. And the last one, that is 41 crore 68 lakh 90,900 is the biggest number. So that's how we have to write down this as ascending order. The smallest, then the biggest, then the bigger, then the biggest one. Same you can do the C part. In the C part, just check at crore place we have see first number and the third number. That these two numbers does not have any crore period. We have only crore period in the second number and the fourth number. That is, in the second number we have 4 crore 50 lakh 82,009, and the last one, that is 45 crore 28 lakh 3,009. This shows that the last period, this shows that the last number is the biggest number and the second number is the second biggest number, right? मतलब 45 crore 28 lakh 3,009 जो है आपका सबसे बड़ा नंबर है. उससे छोटा नंबर आपका 4 crore 50 lakh 82,009 है. अब हमें इन दोनों में चेक करना है, फर्स्ट नंबर एंड द थर्ड नंबर में, कि कौन सा सबसे छोटा है. अगर lakh period में places same है, we move to the thousand place, it is 28 and there it is 82, which shows that 28 is a smaller. So we will take that number first, that is 45 lakh 28,009, and the second number will be 45 lakh 82,009, and the उससे बड़ा नंबर आ जाएगा आपका 4 crore 50 lakh 82,009, और जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर आ जाएगा आपका 45 crore 28 lakh 3,009. I hope you have understood this ascending order also. So I believe you have cleared with the descending and ascending order. So the rest part will be doing, you all will be doing as a homework. Now let's move to the another topic, that is international place value system. International place value system, you must be aware of the chart, the international place value chart. You can see I have made for you. We have ones period. The above which what I have written, ones, thousand and million, these are all periods. और जो उसके नीचे लिखे गए हैं वो सारे आपके places हैं. That means in ones period we have three places, ones, tens, 100 place, and in thousand period we have three places, that is 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. And if we talk about millions period, in millions period we also have three places, that is millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So you can see how I have written the number. First, if we talk about the from the back, after every 3 digit I am putting comma. In the international system, please ensure that after every 3 digit we put comma. So if we talk about if we move from back, that means 8 से पहले एक बार comma आएगा, then 1 से पहले comma आएगा, और 43 as it is रहेगा. 43 2 digit as it is रहेंगे. So the number will become 43 million. You can see 100 million is missing here, so there is no digit at 100 million. I have put 4 in place of it is at 10 million place, then 3 is at million place, and 1 is at 100,000 place, 3 is at 10,000 place, and 4 is at 1,000 place. What does it mean? It means the number is 43,134,867. This is the number. And if you talk about the number name, it will be 43 million, because 4 and 3 is at million period, so it will be 43 million. अगर मान लीजिए 100 पे कोई प्लेस पे आ गया होता नंबर, सपोज 2 होता, तो नंबर नेम आपका बन जाता 243 million. Then at 1,000 place we have 134, that is 134,000. And if you talk about last one, that means 867. That's how you have to write down the number name of this particular number. I hope you all are clear with the international place value system, how to do that. Now let's move to the comparison between the two numbers, two systems. Now the next topic is comparison of Indian place value and international place value system. As you can see, I have made a chart of both Indian and international place value system. You can see I have written the number name. Also, I have written the numbers in the chart only. In the Indian place value system, we have first we have ones period, then we have thousand period, then we have lakh period, and then we have crore period. In ones period, we have three places, that is ones, tens, hundred. Thousand period, we have two places, that is thousand and 10,000. And in lakh period, we have two places, lakh and 10 lakh. And crore, we have two places, crore and 10 crores. That's why we put comma after two digit, and the last three digit ones period will be the same. Last three digit के बाद comma आता है, last three digit consider करते हैं हम. The same international में difference ये है कि हम 3 digit के बात करते हैं, because in ones we have 3 places, in thousand we have 3 places, and in million we have 3 places. So that's why we put comma after every 3 digit. So in the ones if we talk about international place value, in the ones period we have 3 places, that is 100, tens and ones, which is same to the Indian place value also. Thousand में आपका 3 places है, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. आपका इंडियन में सिर्फ 1000 है और 10,000 है. And if you talk about million में आपका million and 10 million and 100 million, we have 3 places. But जो आपका Indian place value उसमें different है, उसमें आपका lakh period है और crore period है instead of million, right? And million के बाद आपका billion आता है, trillion आता है. We are not considering that. We are just taking to the million only. Now you can see the difference between the numbers. Here, the number in Indian place value, if you talk about Indian place value, you can see the number, it is 74 crore. That means crore place में आपके दो number हैं, that is दो places है 77 and 4, 74. Then if you talk about lakh में आपका next number name लिखा जा रहा है 31. That means lakh में आपका number है 3 and 1. And if you talk about thousand में आपके thousand में लिखा गया है 34,000. That means two places है 3 and 4. The same way we have the next place 867. So the number will become 867. So how we can write down the number? That is 74, 31, 34, 867. This is how we have to write down the number according to the Indian system. And if you talk about the international system, you can see the same number I have written in the international system only. 74, that is 7, 4 and 3. Now 3 will come in million place. So million period, the number will become 743. That will be in million. And then if you talk about thousand, it will be 134. That is will be in thousand period. And if you talk about ones, it will become 867. That is in ones period. That is same. Ones period is same in both the system. So this shows that the number name will become 743 million 134,867. So just need to write down the number as 743, 134, 867. I hope you have understood the comparison between both the systems. Now let's move to the next topic, that is expanded form. What do you mean by expanded form? The expanded form of a number is the sum of the places values of its digits. What they are saying, expanded form क्या होता है? अगर हमें किसी भी नंबर का expanded form निकालना है, तो हमें उन नंबर के जितने भी digits हैं उनका place value निकालना होगा. After finding out the place value, we just need to write down those place value as उनके बीच में हमें plus का sign लिखना है और हमें उनको expanded form में लिख देना है. You can understand this concept only by the example. You can see I have taken the two concepts, that is Indian place value system and international place value system. I have taken the example according to both the system. As you can see, first I'll talk about the Indian place value system. In the Indian place value system, you can see the number is 45 crore 27 lakh 60,380. Now first of all we have to write down the digits, the place value of every digit. That is 4. 4 का आपका place value क्या हुआ 40 crore. And if you talk about the place value of 5, it will be 5 crore. Then 2, it will be 20 lakh. 7 is 7 lakh. 6, it will be 60,000. 0 as it is 0. 3 का 300. 1 का 10. 8 का 8 as it is. और बीच में हमने बीच में क्या करा है, प्लस के साइन बीच में डाल दिए. ये जो एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म लिखा है वो हमने फिगर में लिखा है. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इन वर्ड्स में अगर आप देखेंगे तो वर्ड्स में व्हाट आई हैव डन, पहले आपका था 40 करोड़, सो आई हैव रिटन एज व्हाट आई हैव रिटन 10 करोड़, बिकॉज जो 4 है आपका 10 करोड़ की प्लेस पे है. अब ये देखिए 4 जो है वो कौन सी प्लेस पे है, 10 करोड़, क्योंकि 45 आपका करोड़ पीरियड में है और उस पीरियड में आपकी दो प्लेसेस है, दैट इज करोड़ एंड 10 करोड़. सो 4 आपका 10 करोड़ प्लेस पे है, सो वील बी राइटिंग 4 10 करोड़, देन विल बी पुटिंग प्लस 5 आपका कौन सी प्लेस पे है, 5 करोड़ की प्लेस पे, तो 5 करोड़, देन प्लस 2 आपका 10 लाख की प्लेस पे, तो 2 10 लाख, प्लस 7 लाख, देन प्लस 6 आपका 10,000 की प्लेस पे, तो 6 10,000. Then I have not taken zero. It's your wish. You can write down zero, or you can't write. You cannot write. You don't need to write down zero. It depends upon you, because it hardly matters. Then we have 3 is at 100 place, so I've written 300 plus 1 tens place, then 8 ones place. So just need to put the symbol, the sign of plus in between all the place values of every digit. Same you can see the international place value system also, as the number is 452,760,000, then 318. So first need to write down the place values of all the digits. In figure, if you talk about, this is 400 million, you can see, plus this is 50 million, then we have 2 million, then we have 7 lakh, 700,000, then we have 60,000, then 0, then 300, plus 10, and then plus 8. This we have written in figure. And if you talk about 100 in words, you can see 4 is at which place, it is at 100 million place, so 400 millions, then 5 10 millions, we have 2 millions, then 7 100,000, and 6 10,000 we have, and 0 as it is 300, 1 10, and 8 ones. That's how we have to write down this in we can write down the expanded form in both the system, in figure as well and in words as well. I hope you are all are clear with the expanded form and how to write down this expanded form in figure and in words. Let's start the new exercise, that is exercise 1.4. Question 1. Write the number name of the following numbers according to the international value system. You can see we have to write down the number name of this number according to the international value system. So before writing the number name, please ensure that we will put first the commas according to the international system, and then we will be writing the number name of this number. So we have to take the gap of 3 digit. As you can see, we have to start from back. So I have put comma before 3, then comma before 5. So now you can easily write down the number name of this particular number. That means 4 is at which place? It is at million place. So I have written 4 millions, 517,000, and then 301. Same you can see the C part. It is, I have put first commas before 9, then before 7, and 70 will be as it is. So the number name will become 70 millions, 707,971. That's how we have to write down this number name. Same you can see the next one, that is the number is 5,883,000, then 279. That's how we have to write down the number name of this particular numbers. First writing the number according to the international system, we have to put the commas, and then we have to write down the number name. Now let's start question 2. Write the numerals for the following numbers and place commas correctly. Here the number name has been given to you. We have to write down these number name in the numerals, and we have to put the commas also. The first A part is 97,53,015. This means that 97 is at lakh period. So I have put 99. I have written 97 comma. Then it's 53,000. That means 53 comma. Then 15, तो 0 because 100 पेज पे आपका कोई नंबर नहीं है, कोई तो दैट मीन्स 0 है, एंड 0 देन 15. 15. So the number will become 97 comma 53 comma 15. Same, you can see the C part also. It is 85 lakh 200. That means 85 comma. अब now 100,000 प्लेस पे कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, कोई भी डिजिट नहीं है. दैट मीन्स विल बी पुटिंग 00 बिकॉज 1000 प्लेस पे आपका कोई भी इसमें बात नहीं करी गई है. सीधा 85 लाख के बाद 200 बात है. So that means the last number, last three digit will be 200 only, and the 1000 place is 1000 period is, there is no number at 1000 period, so we'll be putting 00. Same, you can so the number will become 85 comma 00 comma 200. Same, you can see E part. It is 888,800,000. Now you can see this is written in the international system, so you have to put comma according to the international only. So 888, that means 888, then we'll be putting comma because that is in million period, right? 888 is in million period. So 888 comma, then we have 800,000. So 800 is at 1000 place, 1000 period. So I have written 800, then comma, then it's written 88. 88 is at tens and ones period. There is no value at 100 period, so we'll be putting 0 in that. So the number will become 888 comma 800 comma 088. So this is called 888,800,088. Now let's move to the question 3. It is rearrange the commas according to the international place value system. This is also simple. It is the number has been given according to the Indian place value system. We just need to convert it into international place value system. In Indian place value system, we normally put, if we talk about ones period को अगर हम छोड़ दिया जाए तो बाकी में हम 2 places के बाद कॉमा रखते हैं. पर इंटरनेशनल में हमारे सारे 3 digit के बाद ही कॉमा लगते हैं. That means the number will become the first one 897 के बाद कॉमा आ जाएगा, फिर 686 के बाद कॉमा आ जाएगा, फिर 824 as it is रह जाएगा. Same you can see in the next C part also 980 0 के बाद कॉमा आ जाएगा because हम 3 digit के बाद कॉमा ले रहे हैं. Then 545 के बाद कॉमा आ जाएगा और 283 as it is. Now you can say E part also. You can see in the E part 7. अब 099 को हम 3 digit ले रहे हैं और 140 को 3 digit ले रहे हैं, तो 7 all alone रह जाएगा. तो 7 comma 099 comma 140. Same, you can see the G part also. In the G part you can see it is 835. That means आप पहले 3 digit लेंगे. तो we talk about from the back 7 से पहले आपका कॉमा आ गया. Then we'll be taking 544. एक ही उसमें लेंगे, एक ही पीरियड में. So 5 से पहले कॉमा आ जाएगा. तो rest number rest digit will be left, that is 83. तो 83 as it is लिख देंगे. तो 7 से पहले कॉमा, then 5 से पहले कॉमा. So we have put these number according to the national place value system by writing the correct commas. I hope you have understood this, both the questions, question 2 and 3. So please ensure the rest part you will do on your own. So homework I have given you in the next slide. Please see to it. Homework question 5 B part of exercise 1.3, question 6 B part of exercise 1.3, then exercise 1.4. In exercise 1.4 question 1 B D F part of question of exercise 1.4 of question 1. Question 2 it's B D F again of exercise 1.4. Then question 3 also the same. We have B D F H. H is extra. So B D F H of exercise 1.4. Please ensure that you complete these parts on your own.